Hello guys, today we'll talk about budget phone in markets in 2023. This phone, Tecno Camon Preimer 25G, great design phone. But before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all video. Number 1, the body. The body here come with length 161.9 mm, width 74.3 mm, thickness 7.8 mm, and its weight 202.5 gram. Number 2, the screen. The screen type here is AMOLED and it's type very good with size 6.67 inches. Display come with protect glass and come with refresh rate 120 Hz and screen exposed to you 1 billion color and very wonderful. Number 3, the processor. The processor here is Dimensity 8056 nanometer, almost is equal with the processor Snapdragon 870. It almost means the same settings for games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, Ultra or HD High, and play Call of Duty Low Max or Very High Max and other games. And the speakers here are stereo and very high but don't have jack 3.5 mm. Number 4, the camera. There are 3 camera in the back. The first camera here is wide 50 megapixel, come with lens slot 1.8. Second camera here 108 megapixel ultra wide, come with lens slot 2.2. The third camera 2 megapixel depth, come with lens slot 2.4. Support ring LED flash HDR panorama as you take a beautiful photo by this camera and record video 4K 30 frames per second or 1080 30 frames per second. But the front camera 32 megapixel wide, come with lens slot 2.4, record video 1080 30 frames per second only. Number 5, the battery. The battery here 5000 mAh here. This battery is good and its USB is Type-C and its charger here is 45 watt charge phone in 77 minutes only. Number 6, to the price. The price of Tecno Camon 20 Preimer 5G phone is $445. It is considered one of the best budget phones in 2023. Thank you to watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.